Let's talk about Lucid as far as digital whiteboards go. This is a great option. You can click new, and then I recommend a Spark board if you're a teacher. It's got a more simplistic interface. So now it's going to load my board and it will save boards as well. Okay, I have all the standard features. So I have templates available to me. I can also do sticky notes. So, let's try that again. I got to drag it over. I can change the color. I can type in it, and then I can also add a reaction to it. You also have shapes and lines, and then a pen option. So I can switch from a pen to a highlighter. So let's do the pen, and I can draw. You can change the thickness of your line as well, and then you can erase. You also have the option to add in media. So here I can add in images. I can type in the word car and get a photo of a car, or I can go back and I can look for GIFs of cars and add those in. And then lastly, you have emojis. So there's basically just your sticker options. And then the icons are, it's basically a graphic of a car.